What's up, everybody? Dylan here at Mellow Vapes here in Indian Land. Today I'm going to be going over a product we got in a couple days ago. It's going to be by the one and only Smok Tech. Smok, however you want to pronounce it. I'm calling it Smok. It is going to be the Smok Species Mod V2. I don't know why they shipped them separately, but it does come as a kit. Smok Species Mod goes up to 230 watts. I've already took it out of the box and assembled it for you. It's got a really big display and screen on there. I know it's reflecting onto my phone. Sorry about that. It's really shiny on the screen. But it's a matte black, this one in particular, with a red finish. This device is literally 5 clicks on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does have a side button to fire it. It's just kind of like your Aliens, except this guy is really small and compact. It does take 2 dual 18650s. Does have a locking mechanism on the door to where it's spring loaded. You literally just push it down, kind of like the Aegis Legend, except the Aegis Legend pops out the other way. 2 dual 18650s, goes up to 230 watts. Does come with the baby V2 tank, which is max mesh. It holds 5 mils of juice. It's just like all your Prince tanks and your Prince babies. It's got a little button right here to flip it open, and they throw you a little curveball. There's not a seal here anymore. It is on the bottom. It does come with replacement seals and everything. I will get into opening up the box here in just 1 second. In the box for your tank, it does come with, bear with me 1 second, your silica gel that you do not eat. It comes with your user manual, your authentication paperwork. It comes with some replacement seals, your top seal that you saw on there to go and seal your tank. All tanks are pressurized, so if your seal breaks or you crack it by breaking a glass or something, you need to replace your seals, because 9 times out of 10, if it doesn't make a proper seal, your tank is going to leak. And if your coil is going bad, that's another factor that could potentially make it leak. Does come with a replacement glass. Now this one is not a bubble. If you do break your replacement glass, I carry the baby V2 expansion bubbles here. They're relatively cheap. This glass in particular is only going to hold 3 mils of juice, but it will hold you over until you're able to get that bigger replacement glass. And it does come with a spare coil. This spare coil is going to be the A2. It is a dual chambered mesh. It's got the cotton recessed on the inside of the coil, so it helps it saturate a little bit better. This coil in particular is going to be best for flavor. It's going to be good up to about 80 watts. It is a 0.2. It's probably best to right around 50 to 65 watts. Anytime you max out a coil, it runs the risk of burning it up just a little bit sooner. So me personally, I like to get the most coil life out of it that I can. Because I mean, $5 here and there, it can get rather pricey. But it does come, I forgot to mention, with the A1 mesh coil pre-installed. It's going to be good up to 140 watts. When I was personally using this tank, I wasn't taking it anything over but about 100 to 110, and I was still getting at least a 60 mil bottle on a coil. So that's pretty good in my opinion. Now they do also offer the A3, which is going to be a triple mesh coil. The A3 is going to be good up to 130 watts. It's a 0.15. It's going to produce the best flavor. It's just, you've got 3 chambers. They're all 3 mesh. Mesh is like a piece of metal pipe screen. I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing me say it. It ramps up evenly. It's got cotton touching all the wire. So it's got good surface area. It's a night and day difference in flavor. If you haven't tried anything with mesh, you already have a box mod, check out the baby V2s. We sell these guys separately, but this in particular does come as a kit. Let's open up this box real quick for the box mod. Species V2 is really nice. Well, there we go. Finally got it open. Get some more silica gel with this one. And then in here, you have your instruction manual for your device, along with your warranty information. One cool thing about Smok Tech is they offer a 6-month warranty on all external and internal devices. The device quits working or it malfunctions in any way, shape, or form, hold on to your receipt, hold on to the box. You can go into any Mad Vapes location, or you can even send it in through Smok, I believe, and warranty it out through that way, and they'll send you a brand new device or fix your issue that you're having. And it also comes with your Android charger for update purposes only. If you're in a pinch, you can plug it up and charge it. We just don't recommend it. It's an external battery device. Just pop your batteries out onto a charger. We have chargers for relatively cheap. They're about 20 bucks a piece. Or you can get an eFast charger for like anywhere from 40 bucks. You can get some as cheap as 20, but if you want something that's going to last, the eFest 4-bay. I had one for about 6 years, and it finally cut out on me about a month ago. So I ended up having to buy another one. But eFest is definitely quality when it comes to a battery charger. But this is going to be the Smok Species V2 kit by Smok. If you guys have any comments, you're more than welcome to leave them down below. Like and subscribe. And as always, guys, you have a wonderful afternoon.